This could be the car for you. The 2022 Toyota Tundra. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. You deserve a ride that was designed with your needs in mind. The time is right to take advantage of the technology, performance, and creature comforts this vehicle has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, fog lamps, backup camera, remote engine start, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, lane keeping assist, electronic stability control,